a child, I've always loved Mardi Gras. It is just a good time to be with your family and enjoy what you're watching, catching coconuts, catching beads, eating king cake. That is like, gotta be your most favorite part, right? Making king cakes made Mardi Gras even more special to me. I started doing king cakes from home years ago. I had king cakes everywhere, from my couch to my kitchen table to my kids' rooms. Like, we had no room to put anything. King cake season starts around January 6th. It's an indication of the arrival of the three kings that went to Bethlehem. Some people say they don't eat it before the date, but it does typically last from January 6th until Ash Wednesday, well, the Wednesday right after Mardi Gras, and that starts the Lent season. In the king cake world, there are traditional king cakes. That is just a combination of a cinnamon dough or cake in the form of a circle, topped with special sugars. Typically for Mardi Gras, it is purple, green, and gold. Then there's a whole list of different types of king cakes that different bakeries do. Everybody's kind of known for a certain thing. Some people are known for their traditional ones. Some people are known for their savory ones. Some people are known for their filled ones, cream cheese filled, apple filled, strawberry filled, different type of toppings, cheesecake, praline. I have seen so many different types of king cakes, it's not even funny. But I love to see the variety, because you may just do one that blow you out of the water. And if it's good, I got you. The baby in the king cake symbolizes the king. So if you get the baby in your king cake, you get to be royalty for a day, but you also have to purchase the next king cake. It just creates a fun kind of reciprocal party, because the season is gonna go on. Someone's gonna get their baby and you have to buy the next king cake. And whoever gets the next baby, they have to buy the next one, and then the next one, and the next one. And listen, you can't have a party without a king cake, especially when Mardi Gras season starts. So from January 6th until that Ash Wednesday, it is a must try.